Hi, I'm Manisha and I'm a wellness entrepreneur. I have businesses as Om Your Way, which is a corporate wellness, and also an alchemy, which is for everyday lifting lives for everyone. And I'm here, आज हम सीखेंगे सूर्य नमस्कार. सूर्य नमस्कार होली ग्रेल कहते हैं because इसमें 12 आसन होते हैं. 12 आसन जो full body workout करते हैं. Now सूर्य नमस्कार is important because सूर्य नमस्कार works with your spirituality, it works with your physical body, and also it works in the internal organs. So Surya Namaskar is very important. अगर आपको करना है सूर्य नमस्कार, so you have to learn the steps properly. Because a lot of times मैंने देखा है कि लोग alignment भूल जाते हैं. कुछ पैर कहीं और होते हैं, दिमाग कहीं और होता है. So yoga is basically alignment of your mind, your muscle, your body, and also your breath. So today हम सीखेंगे 12 आसन जो बनाते हैं सूर्य नमस्कार को. आप इनको या तो फुल वर्कआउट कर सकते हो. सो अगर 30 टाइम्स सूर्य नमस्कार, इफ़ यू डू इट 1 टाइम, दैट्स अ फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट. अगर आप इसको वार्म अप के लिए यूज़ करना चाहते हो तो अबाउट 5 सूर्य नमस्कार. इफ़ जस्ट हैप्पीनेस के लिए चाहते हैं तो अबाउट 3 to 4 सूर्य नमस्कार एवरी डे. ऑल्सो इट्स अ विंटर सीजन, सो विंटर सीजन में डेफिनेटली सूर्य नमस्कार हेल्प body very much in regulating the temperature. So let's join me on the mat for Surya Namaskar. We'll start from the top of the mat. So अपने mat के front में आ जाइए. दोनों पैर साथ में होंगे. हाथ रखेंगे chest के center में. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, right leg पीछे जाएगा. Now front leg में knee over the ankle होगा. So ये alignment important होता है and पीछे का foot will be up. Also यहाँ पर हाथ रख के chest open करके breathe in. Exhale, both the feet back. Dandasana, which is plank pose. Plank pose ऐसे नहीं होगा और ऐसे नहीं होगा. It will be right in alignment. Head to toe alignment. Drop your knees. Drop your chest. Squeeze forward cobra. Exhale, Parvatasana, downward facing dog. यहाँ से right leg forward. Same चीज़ what we started with, knee and ankle in alignment. Open the chest, breathe in. Exhale, both the feet together. Head down. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, back to the center. Samasthiti. यहाँ पे हमने स्लो मूवमेंट में किया. अब हम थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे. सो यू कैन जॉइन मी विद दैट. हैंड्स टू द चेस्ट, ब्रीद इन. एक्सहेल. इनहेल, लेफ्ट लेग लुकिंग अप. प्लैंक पोज. ऐसे नहीं, नॉर्मल. ड्रॉप योर नीज, ड्रॉप योर चेस्ट. इनहेल, अप. एक्सहेल. Inhale, left leg forward, open the chest. Exhale, both the feet together. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale or exhale will be important in each asana because that is what guides your body to really flow into the movement. Hands to the center, breathe in. Exhale. Right leg back, open chest. Exhale, feet together. Knees, chest. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Same leg forward. Both the feet together. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, back to Samasthiti. Surya Namaskar helps with the spine. Surya Namaskar helps with building your immunity. Surya Namaskar is a full body workout. If you learn to do this properly, also please focus on your breath. जो breathing in or breathing out होता है with each asana, that really helps clear any kind of stress, anxiety, कोई भी mental issues that we have. Yoga is amazing to get rid of those. So do this as a full body workout. So about 30 of them is a full body workout, and 5 if you want to just warm up, or if you just want to try out, आपने कभी करा नहीं है and now you want to try it for the first time, about 5 is very good. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining us on Trends 9, and if you like this, please subscribe, share, and also in comments let us know what do you want to see next.